Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to change the download folder location in Windows 11. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials. Let's get started. Open File Explorer by pressing Windows and E. Navigate to your Downloads folder, then right-click it and select Properties. In the Properties window, switch to the Location tab. Here, you'll see the current path of your Downloads folder. Click the Move button. A window will appear where you can select a new location. Choose the folder where you want your downloads to be saved, or create a new one. Once selected, click Apply. Windows will ask if you want to move all existing files to the new location. Choose Yes or No, depending on your preference. And that's it. Your download folder location is now updated. Let me know if you need help with any other settings.